What's going on, guys? 24/7 Tech here. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the Fitbit Sense, a flagship smartwatch that Fitbit just announced a few weeks ago, and it has come out to customers now. And in this video, I will be unboxing it, and it's supposed to be Fitbit's flagship smartwatch, which competes against the likes of the Apple Watch Series 6, the Galaxy Watch 3. So it's supposed to be high end. It's not like the Versa 3 competing against mid-range smartwatches, which I talked about in my last video. This is going against the high smartwatches, and in this smartwatch in general is supposed to be promising a thin bezel display. There's advanced health technology, stress tracking, ECG, sleep tracking, and even more amazing health technologies, which I'll go over in the full review. But it's a promising smartwatch, and Fitbit looks to kind of compensate the whole smartwatch feel and prioritize health in this situation. We're in 2020, and the COVID-19 pandemic has been, taking a lot of people's lives, and a health smartwatch is probably the best thing that you could do now, and Fitbit aims right at this market. Stay tuned for an awesome video, and I'll go over the unboxing, the experience, and my first thoughts as well later in this video. As always, subscribe down below if you haven't already. I need all the help that I can get from you guys. But for now, let's get on to the unboxing. So I just got the Fitbit Sense in from the mail, and as you can see here, I ordered the black on black color. I think it's a navy on black color. It's a stainless steel finish, as you can see here. I'm super excited to show that. And you can see my Fitbit Versa 3 here. I've been in testing of it, but this one is the one I've been more excited about, as I just said, because it has the stress management technology, as it said. It has an ECG, it's got sleep tracking, enhanced sleep tracking, and it just appeals to me more. So, just looking at the box here, it's pretty much the exact same what we saw with the Fitbit Versa 3. It's just some notes, the color, and yeah, let's get straight to the unboxing. Alright then, so you just have to take this little slip off. I know, it's pretty much the exact same as the Fitbit Versa 3. And then slide this out, keep this to the side, maybe right here. And yeah, it's pretty much the same. I'm gonna try and show you the Fitbit logo here. This is a slight thing, as I said, with the Fitbit Versa 3. And boom, we're presented with pretty much the same thing as we saw on the Fitbit Versa 3. It's a very similar experience, but I'll go over if you did not watch that video. So here we have a power unit, as you can see, and a style unit. Style is meant for the watch band, and the power is meant for the charging cable and that sort of stuff. Makes sense, it's basic things. I like how Fitbit divided it up. You've got the centerpiece as the watch here, then you have your bands, that stuff, and then you have the power, which, there's three different things, and I like how they divided it. It's a really cool way. Other companies like Apple per se, it's literally a line box with just the band and then the little watch on it. This is a much better experience, an unboxing experience that I think, and we've seen this with other maybe laptops in the past where they kind of elevate the watch like this, but it's the first time we've seen smartwatch, and I really like it. It's one of the best things that a company can do. Just get, they have to get you that good first impression, and that's what Fitbit does over here. All right, let's get to the style first. It's pretty simple. Just take the band out from here, and there's some paperwork as well. So this is the large band. So the small band is already fitted on the Versa 3 itself. This is the large band if you do have a larger wrist. I usually use the small band itself. This one is the small band for the Fitbit Versa 3. You've got a pretty thick packet of product information here, which I don't think I need. And you can also see the new band mechanism with this new band over here. Let's head on to the power, which is a pretty much identical thing. Just a little slip in the back over here. And you have your charging cable, and pretty much, and then yeah, let me take this off right here. Then you have your charging cable, and yeah, that's pretty much it. This is also about the charger. This is a magnetic charger. It's 4 prongs, so you have to kind of properly fit it. It's not like the hockey puck design, which we see with the Apple Watch or the Galaxy Watch or whatever. You kind of have to adjust it and fit it right. But it's a good charger. It charges really fast as well, and I like it. It's pretty good. But you guys definitely came for the Fitbit Versa 3, not for the band or the charging cable. You want to see the Fitbit itself. So let's get it unboxed. So I'll put my Fitbit Versa 3 aside to here, and let's get this opened up. Wow. All right, well, this is a nice watch. I can already feel the weight to this. As I said in my last unboxing and you know, my first impressions of it, that this watch is really light. That's one of the things I've noticed, and it's because of the aluminum frame. The stainless steel frame is definitely heavier, and I can feel it too. It makes sense. I like stainless steel watches, but let's get on to the, you know, unwrapping. And there we have it, folks. The Fitbit Sense in its glory. It's really, really shiny, and this is because of the stainless steel border. Let me lay it alongside the Versa 3. I mean, this is comparing these two. They're really similar, but one thing that you can instantly know about the Sense is that it's a much more polished watch. It feels like a stainless steel, you know, a traditional watch that you would wear. And I really like this finish. This is one of the things that was not really mentioned in a lot of people's videos, but I really did want to talk about it in my first impressions, probably in my full review and my unboxing. I wanted to go over this. The stainless steel band is definitely, you know, something that really adds some look to it. It does add weight for sure. I can feel it, but yeah. And you can see the sensors in the back here. This is what I'm here for. All right, well, let's get this on my wrist then. Put it on quickly. It's a process for sure, you know, to even put the Fitbit on. It's definitely a hassle, and it's just smartwatches in general with this whole silicone thing. You need two hands to do it. You can't put it with one hand unless you have something like the Milanese loop, and it's annoying sometimes, and especially Fitbit with their whole band mechanism. They pretty much have this little latch that goes through, then you have to pin it to this, then tuck it underneath. It's 3 different steps that you need to do just to get the watch on your hand, man. I am not a fan of that. But as you can see on my wrist, it looks really nice. And I think in my first impressions, I said this was a black band. It's not, it's a navy band. And I really like it. The navy goes well with the stainless steel blue, with the stainless steel black on the Fitbit Sense. It's not a black, it's more of a space, like a really dark gray. I really like it. It's a nice look, and it feels, again, heavier and more of a traditional smartwatch, or a traditional watch than the Versa 3 did. So there was the unboxing, guys. I hope you enjoyed that. And the Fitbit Sense the stainless steel design is definitely different from the Versa 3. It feels a bit heavier than the Versa 3 as well, and it feels like a much more legit watch than a more smartwatch type of feel, and I like it. I'm thinking that it's gonna be good. I'm used to an Apple Watch Series 3 stainless steel, so it makes sense why I like it. But here are a few of my thoughts. First of all, the design itself really resembling to the Versa 3. The display, as I said in my last video, is amazing. The display goes edge to edge, curved corners. It's honestly a great smartwatch. Completely. It's just a great smartwatch in general. It looks like that on first sight, and I'm really curious to also test out, you know, the stress tracking, sleep tracking, ECG, all that sort of stuff on this new Fitbit Sense, and see its accuracy as well, you know, to see if I'm actually stressed or I'm not stressed, or how my sleep has been going, or just a lot of things in general. I'm really excited for the smartwatch. It's something that we haven't seen before. The Versa 3 was cool, but it's things we saw already in different models, and it was just mainly new design, display, and that stuff. But practical technology is what the Fitbit Sense focuses on in this health kind of world that we're in right now, and I'm honestly awaiting to review all of it. I'll talk about all of it in my full review, which you should go watch. Please subscribe down below to get that first, and you can get my full review in which I talk about definitely the whole health features, my personal things, and some little things too. You know, when you wear it, you use it for, you know, a few days, weeks, and so on, you notice some small things, and that's what I'll be going over in my review, so subscribe for that. But for now, thanks for watching, guys. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe as I said below. The full review is coming soon in the upcoming weeks, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.